A week ahead of the CES event, JLab has announced their brand new JBuds Mini. It's a new true wireless earbud that they've been working on. It's quite tiny. It's $40 in price tag, and the company is saying that this is going to be 30% smaller than the JLab Go Air Pop. Now that's earbuds was very tiny. Now this is going to be 30% tinier. That's it's going to be interesting to see how many people would like this model, considering some people just like something slightly a little bit maybe big enough to fit their ears. But tiny earbuds is quite good because it gives you the ability to have enough comfort for yourself, and you won't be disturbed by anything that's protruding in your ears. So it's really nice. Now, the previous JLab earbuds have come with charging cases that have integrated USB cables, but the JBuds Mini will take more conventional approach with a separate USB-C cable, and that's something that I think a lot of people would still like, the fact that they will have a separate USB-C cable. And the JBuds Mini is expected to be in stores almost towards the end of this year, 2023, which is interesting, considering that they are just announcing it ahead of CES. I was expecting that maybe it will go on sale next month, but that's not the case. And if you charge these earbuds, the battery life is quite decent. It's 6 hours on a single charge, then 24 hours when you include the charging case. So that's the main thing that I think a lot of people will have to look and consider before heading out to purchase this model and even adding it to their collection. The battery is decent, to be honest, and there is also Bluetooth multi-point, so you can have simultaneous connections to two devices. So you're gonna get it with this model. It's gonna give you that you're looking for. JLabs also have other, they offer other more premium wireless experience. That would be very good for audiophiles. And the other product that they're looking to, and at least to release as well this year, is the $200 JLab Epic Lab Edition earbuds. So this model is like almost a flagship for them. And it's coming with a 10mm dynamic driver. It also has a nose balance armature driver with it as well. So it's something that a lot of people will have to look at if they want to consider something much more premium. So look, I'm gonna drop details for this new model if you want to have a look at it. That's it. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.